higher and has a higher red line, but that also comes at an increased weight, increased complexity in design, and increased cost of manufacturing and also of repair. So I would say if they were using single overhead cam engines during war times, they're definitely good enough for regular passenger vehicles, is why I think they should still make. Simplest way to know the difference between single overhead cam and dual overhead cam is just simple numbers. One camshaft for each bank of cylinders in a single overhead cam, two camshafts for each bank of cylinders in a dual overhead cam. So a V6 configuration, you'd have 2 total camshafts or 4 total camshafts for a dual overhead cam. So think of it as shafts